Hi guys, so I'm going to tell you how you're going to use ChatGPT to get this your wedding photo shoot, your birthday photo shoot, your family photo shoot, whatever photo shoot you want to do. With the help of ChatGPT, you are sorted. There is no need to go and make your hair, to go and buy clothes, to go for your makeup, to do whatever thing to be glammed for your photo shoot. With the help of ChatGPT, you are going to get all those things sorted. I'm the only one that will tell you this. If you want to look like this, all this was generated through ChatGPT. I no go lie for you now. See, all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video to the end, so you'll be able to do this and this for yourself. Yes, so now me talk am, just chill. And let me add this before we go to our studio. Tell ChatGPT to keep your exact face, and don't go and do hair like this. Make sure that your hair is packed, like it can show your face. Do you understand? And ChatGPT is garbage in, garbage out. So be very conscious of what you are telling ChatGPT. Whatever you tell ChatGPT is what is going to generate for you. And note, your first attempt may not be perfect. You try the second one or the third one, and you keep getting creative and creative and creative before you get something like this. And let me shock you, this was my first attempt. This was like my second attempt. You can see it. So let's go to the YouTube studio. I don't like wasting people's time because data costs, right? So if this is what you want to be seeing upfront, of course, click on the subscribe button so you get notification when my video pops up. So let's right into it. Let's go to my studio. So go to ChatGPT. When you go to ChatGPT, you open ChatGPT, you go to this chat here, then you say whatever you want to say. I want you to create a very luxurious wedding photo shoot for me, like it's my wedding day and I'm taking a photo shoot. I want to send you my picture, but I want my exact face, everything about my face to show. But the wedding gown is luxurious, it's beaded, it's flay, is long, is crystal with crystal stones, is giving luxurious beaded wedding gown that when people see me they will be wowed. But I just want you to just maintain my face, my eyes, my nose, my chin, my lips, everything on my face, but just the whole body and everything. And I am size 14 with lovely curves and some boobs too. So that is it. So now it's going to give us, because now it's telling us that upload a clear photo of yourself, preferably the front face with good lighting and your full face visible. Then I will create a luxurious wedding photo shoot that looks like this. So that is what I want to do. So one thing you have to notice, that you have to get your face clear. Either you just snap your face bare or just use it like that. So I'm going to look for a photo to use. I pray I should see photo to use. So I'm going to use this here. So this is what I'm going to use, although because of the tutorial I didn't get a clearer picture, but I'm going to use this one for it. So this is the one that is going to show. So let's see what it's going to do. So it's loading, so let's give it a while. In some few seconds we will get our wedding luxurious photo shoot. And mind you, sometimes you may not get your exact at the first instant, but make sure you keep trying and be creative. Use your just do this and that on your head and you'll be able to get this. Yes, as given to us. Say you see it, but it's not giving, but see the dress, see everything. That means I'm size 12, because this is actually big, so you can see this yourself and every other thing. So now what we are going to do again, we are going to send that same picture, but we are going to tell this time my size. I'm going to say size 12, and I'm going to say it should drop my hands down to not hold it at that place where it's giving my exact face, if you can see for yourself at this place. So you don't even need to go to you can use it for do whatever thing you want to do. Just follow the prompt and just face your exact face, and voila, you have gotten it. So let's go back to